Hello, my name is Jonathan. This is my final project for CS120B. Pretty much, I made a little game. A random path gets generated here on this LED matrix, and it's the user's job to follow the path as best as they can. They're given 5 lives for every time they step off of the path. They lose a life, and for every time the user steps on a square that was generated, their score increases. So it starts, press the asterisk button on the remote. This is my first complexity for the project. I have the IR remote to start and reset the game. So yeah, let's get it started. Once you start the thing, that actually triggers 2 complexities at the same time. The first one being the passive buzzer, which plays sound effects throughout the game. You'll hear I have a sound for when the maze is generated, for when you fall off, for when you complete it, and for when you lose. My next complexity is using the LED matrix. I have all 4 of them connected like this, and this is how the path gets generated. So basically how the game goes, once you're done using the remote, you start controlling the guy. As soon as you move, the path goes away. It's the user's job to follow it. Say I try to go up, I know the square is not lit, a little sound gets hit, my lives goes down, and my scores gets down. So you keep going to make it to the end. For every time you go to the next section, that section disappears and you get a few more lives. It's the user's job to make it to the end. Let me see if I can just do that really quick. Oh shoot. And then you win, yay! But then you get a button to restart it. If you want to restart it, you hit it again. And then you just hit the button again. Every time you do restart the game, a new random matrix gets generated. Let me just demonstrate a fail real quick. So if you fall off more than 5 times, the screen goes red and you get a little death sound, and you're prompted to restart the game again, which you can do with the same IR remote, and yeah. And it goes on like that, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. This is my final project for CS120B.